Hey guys, this is Alex Train Spotter HD and welcome back. And today I am back at Exeter St David's for another cheeky train session on this well, quite glorious Saturday morning, but it is quite cold at the same time. And as you can see in front of me, we got the London Passenger train over on platform 5, 802 004 at the back. I think it was 802 012 at the front. And we got the paint service here. 150-246 on the train, a very dirty looking 150. ABC and services from Great Western Railway, Cross Country and hopefully South Western Railway in this video. So I'll come back in a few seconds once this painting train departs. Okay guys, we're back. Got the painting service back to depart. Apparently it's going to get delayed up to 10 minutes after Dawlish. Suddenly says something to do with the signalling system. Okay, that's great, isn't it? Because I'm going to Timoth in a bit. How typical is that? Anyway, never mind. I just found out that I've got a bit of zoom in on my camera, guys. I've been recording on this phone for, well, a few months. There's going to be a special train coming down today as well from London Pansy, and another West Coast Railway train. Don't know if it's going to have a steam locomotive at the front or it's just going to have a Class 47 West Coast Railway locomotive, but either way I will get that train on camera. I most likely will record it at Timoth though. So yeah, just thought I'd let you know on that, guys. Okay, well, it's gone a bit quiet now, we'll see. I'll come back in a few seconds with some more trains. Oh well, I don't know how long this video will be. I'm hopefully in between 10 to 20 minutes long. So yeah, I will come back in a few seconds with some more trains. Okay guys, quickly back. We have another 150 coming in. I think that came from the depot. Do have zoom in this camera, guys. It is quite hard to zoom out. 150-247 on the train. I don't know where this one is going to. It's not. There's no passengers on it. So okay, we'll come back in a few seconds with some more trains. Okay, guys, we're back. The full coach train coming in, going to Exmouth, double pacer. On 43621 will now be at the back. And the 143620 will now be at the front. That's tidy 621 and 620.
The train now approaching platform 3 does not stop here. Stand back from the edge of platform.
You got that 150 going back out again, guys. Yeah, he's going Exmouth way. May come back later for a service, he will probably. We'll keep the camera rolling, guys. We've got an IET coming in, going to London Paddington. (802.111) at the front, or is it just night coaches? It's just night coaches, so it's 802.111 on the train.
This train has 10 coaches. First class accommodation can be found in zones 10, 9, 2 and 1. Standard class in zones. First class accommodation can be found in zones 10, 9, 2 and 1. Standard class in...
Yeah, not quite sure where they got these zone parts now. Should see some cross countries and South Western Railways, guys, as this video goes on. Seems to be the Great Western Railway show at the moment, isn't it?
Up to 10 minutes after Exeter St David's. This is due to a fault with the signalling system between Dawlish and Newton Abbot.
(802.018) at the front. We'll come back in a few seconds, guys, once it departs. Okay, guys, we're back. Got the Penzance train back to depart. 10 coaches this one is, so it'll be 2 ITs to go. I'll try and catch the number as it goes out at the back. And 802.020 at the back. I'll keep the camera rolling, guys, because we got a 158 coming in. That's nice. 158 950 on the train. Just had that extra train go out as well. Yeah, we're cross country service now, guys, on this video. Going to Aberdeen. And we have a South Western Railway train to start up as well, guys. 159106 at the front of the South Western Railway. Sorry if I sound crappy now, I've just been sneezing and yeah. Okay then, guys. Got the South Western Railway just turned out, like I said, going on London Waterloo. We got this Voyager here, going to Aberdeen. So I'll see these two trains go out very shortly. Okay guys, we're back. We got the cross country service to Aberdeen, back to the part, 220.005 on the train. We got a South Western Railway train over there, that's got to leave as well.
10:27 Railway service to Barnstaple, calling at Crediton, Guildford, Copplestone, Road, Exeter, Lumley, and Barnstaple. Passengers at these stations should ask the conductor on the train to remain to allow them to leave.
152.65 on this Barnstaple train here, just arrived. The 159014 at the back of the London Waterloo. Okay guys, we'll go back in a few seconds with another train. Okay guys, we're back with the last train of this video. Be the Barnstaple train. Hard to think it's May and it's quite chilly. Okay guys, as that train goes out, I'll leave it here. Thank you ever so much for watching guys, it's greatly appreciated as always. Not a bad variety of train, managed to see a cross-country train and the South Western Railway train in the end. Obviously the main star of the show was the Great Western Railway trains. I'm going to be recording that special train coming down from Waterloo, not Waterloo, Panton, going to Dartmouth. So that should be interesting. I'll record it on the separate video. So until me here at St David's, I'll see you all soon, guys. Take care.